None of us can change our yesterdays, but all of us can change our tomorrows. Friends, I am Biswajit. Today we discuss some important questions on surface areas and volumes of class 10. Question number 5. Water is flowing at the rate of 5 km per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 cm into a rectangular tank which is 50 meter long and 44 meter wide. Determine the time in which the level of water in the tank will rise by 7 cm. Water is flowing at a 5 km per hour. Rectangular tank given, length given 50 meter and a breadth given 44 meter. You see here there is a rectangular tank. This is a rectangular tank and water is flowing through a pipe. The pipe is in the shape of, if we draw this one, the pipe is in the shape of a cylinder. If you straight it, you can find a cylinder. Okay. Through pipe rate 5 km per hour. That's it. In hour, the length is 5 km. So here, if you find the length of the pipe is 5 km, that means you see here it is given meter here, rectangular tank length given 50 meter and breadth given 44 meter. Okay. Determine the time in which the level of water in the tank will rise 7 cm. Water will rise 7 cm. This is up to this one level 7 cm. Water fill is this fill with water is 7 cm. So height here is 7 cm. Here we can convert meter to centimeter. So 50 centimeter. Here 44 centimeter. Length is breadth, it is height. So water will fill through this pipe. This is the shape of a cylinder. If you draw the shape of a cylinder, you see here. Here if you take length, this will be 5 km. So 5 km, if you convert this into centimeter, 5 km, 5000 meter, then 00 centimeter. So here height of the cylinder will be 5. It is 5 lakh centimeter. In 1 hour, water flows. Diameter of the pipe is D given 14 centimeter. So R will be 7 centimeter. Now you see, in 1 hour, the volume of water through this pipe. So cylinder volume is pi r square h. You can find here pi. You can take here pi 22/7 into r square 7 into 7 into h. H will be 5 lakh cm. So it will be cm cube. Volume will be like this. We cancel this one. Then it is 154 into 5. 154 into 5 lakh centimeter cube will get 5 4 20 7 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, it is centimeter cube. This is the volume of water in 1 hour. Okay, but here the volume given, we have to fill the volume is 77 centimeter height. This 50 meter means 5000 centimeter and breadth is 4400 centimeter. So here volume is the volume shape of a cuboid. Rectangular tank means cuboid. Water will fill up to 7 centimeter. Height is 7 centimeter. The volume will be length into breadth into height. So length will be 5000 into breadth is 4400 into height is 7 centimeter cube. You see here, we have to find time. So this centimeter cube fills in 1 hour. Okay, so 1 centimeter cube will be filled in 1 by 77000000 hours. Okay, so volume, this will fill up to this level, so volume is this one. So 5000 into 4400 into 7 centimeter cube will take time 1/7700000 into 5000 into 4400 into 7. You see 2 0 cancel, 3 0 cancel. Now 7 is 110. Now you see 11 10, it is 11 4, 5 2, then 2, so that is 2. Answer is 2 hours. Okay. 6. A hemispherical tank full of water is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 3/4/7 liter per second. How much time will it take to make the tank half empty if the tank is 3 meter in diameter? Hemispherical tank. See, this is hemisphere. Hemispherical tank. Here given diameter given d equal to 3 meter. So radius equal to 3/2 meter. This is the radius. In 1 second, by emptied water, it is 3/4/7 liter. So you can write it is 25/7 liter in 1 second. Clear? How much time will it take to make the tank half empty? Half empty means you can find the half volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. That is the volume of the hemisphere. Half empty means half into this one. So we can write here 1/3 pi r cube. Now put 1/3 pi 22/7 into r cube, 3/2 into 3/2 into 3/2 meter cube. Okay, now you see 3 cancel, 2 11. Now 11 into 3 into 3 999 divided by 28 meter cube is the half, if it is the volume of half volume of the hemisphere. It is emptied in 1 second this one. So to emptied 25/7 liter, it takes 1 second. Okay, and to empty 1 liter it will take 1/25/7. So 25/7 you can write here 1 into 7/25, that is 7/25 second. Then to empty it 99/28 meter cube, or meter cube, we can convert this one liter. 99 into 1000, because 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So you can write here 99 into 1000 divided by 28, it is liter. So you can write here this one 0.00000 liter. It will take 7/25 into 99000/28. Now you see 7 4 25, we can multiply 25 3 4 3. If we write it here, you see 99 into 1000, it will be very easy. 25 4s direct. 25 4s, it is 40. 40, it is 10. So 990 second. 99 second, we can convert this one into minute. 990/60. You see here. Then 2 3 2s are 333. 33/2 minute, that equal to you can write as 16 whole 1 by 2 minutes. So 16.5, 16 whole 1 by 2 minutes it will take. Okay, write it down. Question number 7. A copper wire 3 mm in diameter is wound about a cylinder whose length is 1.2 meter and diameter is 10 centimeter, so as to cover the curved surface area of the cylinder. Let a cylinder, this one. Okay, find the length of the mass of the wire, assuming the density of the copper wire to be 8.88 gram per centimeter. A copper wire 3 mm in diameter. Diameter is the copper wire. You see, diameter given. Diameter this one. This is the diameter. Diameter 3 mm. 3 mm. Okay. It's wound about a cylinder. That means here you see cylinder. If you wound that wire like this, that means you see this part. If you wound, this is wire, again wire. So this width the wire. If this part is wire, okay. If you own this one, this is the wire. Then this width, that means width means the diameter is 3 mm. This is 3 mm. This part is 3 mm. Clear? Diameter is only about 1.2 meter. So length it is 1.2 meter. You can convert this one. 1.2 meter, that is equal to centimeter. If you convert it to multiply 100, then mm, then we can here we multiply 1000. So 1200 mm. We multiply 1000 because 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Clear? Multiply. So it is mm. So here height equal. This is height 1. So if we in one down it covers 3 mm. Okay. So to cover 1200 mm, that means this total length is what? Here enter to here 1200 mm. So how many rounds will be there? So 1200 mm divided by 3 mm, that means there will be 400 rounds. You see 400 rounds of wire, this wire 400 rounds. Now you see in one down it covers what? 2 pi r. 2 pi means this is the cylinder and radius given, here radius given, diameter given 10 centimeter. So r will be 10 upon 2, that is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now in one down it will cover 2 pi r. So we can write 2 into pi. You can put here decimal given, so 3.14 into r is 5. 2 pi r in one down. So how many rounds are there? 400 rounds are there. So you can write in one round it covers 2 pi r. In 400 rounds, that why 400 rounds? Because total will cover in 400 rounds. In 400 rounds it will cover 2 into 3.14 into 5 into 400. That is centimeter. Okay, length, centimeter. You see here, find the length and the mass. So length, you get the length, this is the length. And the mass of the wire, assuming the density of the copper wire is gram per second, centimeter, gram per centimeter. So this 1 centimeter is the length of the wire. So mass, find the mass. So mass will be, that is the length. You can find here the length of the wire. Okay. The mass will be what? 2 into 3.14 into 5 into 400 into 8.88. Otherwise you can multiply here also. You see 6.28 into 20, 6.28 into 2, 6.28 into 2000. and multiply 0 0 0, so 1 2, so it is 12,560, or directly you can write here 12,560 centimeter. So 12,560 centimeter into 8.88 gram. Multiply it and convert this into kilograms. That is the answer mass. Okay, write it down. This is question number 7. Then next video we'll discuss some more questions. Okay.